Good morning, friends. Today topic we are going to discuss is FPFF DG shipping exit exams question and answer part 6. This is the last video updating on FPFF questions. If any latest questions still further coming, I will be updating in the later stages. Okay. Question number 101. All portable, semi-portable and fixed fire extinguishing unit on board ship must be tested and inspected at least once in every option A 6 weeks, option B 6 months, option C 12 months, option D 2 years. As per SOLAS, all portable, semi-portable fixed fire extinguishing units should be tested annually, that is 12 months. Question number 102. A cargo hold containing cargo such as nitrate, chlorates, etc. which produce oxygen under the influence of heat catchers. How would you deal with this? Option A. With this type of material, the hatches should not be battened down. The fire can only be extinguished using large quantities of water. Option B. Boundary cooling. Option C. Close the hatches, apply boundary cooling, and allow fire to use up the oxygen and extinguish itself. Option D. Close the hatches and use the fixed CO2 system. This question has been asked in Chemco also. So the answer is option C. Close the hatches, apply boundary cooling, allow fire to use up the oxygen and extinguish the fire itself. Option C is correct. So you will close the hatches. So if water the oxygen evaluated inside the cargo hold, it will be consumed by the fire, which are even if it is produce nitrates, chlorates also produce oxygen, whatever is available combust itself. And doing the boundary cooling, this will remove the heat energy and allow fire to use up the oxygen and extinguish itself. It will extinguish by itself. That is the correct answer. Question number 102 is the correct answer. Question number 103. What class of fire was a wet chemical fire extinguisher specifically designed to fight? Option A. Class A fire. Option B. Class D fire. Option C. Class F fires. Option D. Class D fires. The correct answer is Class F fires. Class F fires are the fires which is caused by fatty acids, mostly our cooking products, fatty oils, animal fats, etc. For this, chemical fire extinguisher is a better option. The correct answer is option C, Class F fires. Question number 104. After using a carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, the nozzles get extremely cold. This is a sign that option A, you should not use it. Option B, it is safe to continue. Option C, the material inside are running low. Option B, none of the above. The correct option is option B, it is safe to continue. The carbon dioxide is, when it is contact with the atmosphere, from liquid state to vapor state, it is happening at the nozzle. So it will be very cold temperature. It is in negative temperature with the atmosphere. So it can cause frostbite, but that cold at the nozzle ensure that the flow of CO2 is proper. So the correct answer is option B, it is safe to continue. In this case, nozzles we are not holding on the nozzle directly. There is a holder for hand which is made up of some insulation material, can be a wooden piece also, where we have to hold it. Otherwise, if you hold the nozzle directly, you will get frostbite. Question number 105. What type of permit is needed in order to carry out work that could potentially result in a fire breaking out on the work site? Option A, fire permit. Option B, a hot permit. Option C, a work permit. Option D, no permit is needed. So here the correct answer is a hot permit. You are going to carry out the work which can lead to cause a fire. Welding job, gasketing jobs. So for this, we need a permit that has to be approved by the company. That permit is called as hot work permit. Here the option they given is hot permit. That is the correct answer. Question number 106. In the event of fire, everyone is responsible for Option A, informing the superior of what is happening. Option B, pulling the fire alarm if they see a fire. Option C, making sure everyone gets to the fire assembly point safely. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, pulling the fire alarm if they see a fire. I already said in the previous video about fire, find, inform, restrict and extinguish. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 107. The letters A, B and C on the portable fire extinguisher represent what? Option A, how much chemical it holds. Option B, the first three letters of the alphabet. Option C, type of the fire extinguisher will put out. So, the letter mentioned in the fire extinguisher A, B, C gives the indication what type of fire can be extinguished by the particular extinguisher. If the letter is A, this can be used for general purposes. Option B, fire extinguisher class B type, it is used for fuel oil fires, liquid fires. Option C, electrical and electronic fires. So we know if there is electrical fire, the class C type extinguisher can be used like that. So the correct option is option C. Question number 108. Class B fire division have insulation such that the average temperature rise in the unexposed side will be not more than 140 degrees Celsius within that time. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. The class B fire extinguisher, class B fire division bulkhead, if there is a fire inside that bulkhead, on the other end, exposed temperature cannot be more than 140 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option A, true. Question number 109. Where on board would you find out which fire sections are enclosed by A or B class divisions? Option A, fire involving liquid and liquefied solids. Option B, fire involving solid materials. Option C, a fire involving gases. Option D, fire involving metals. The correct answer is option B, a fire involving solid materials. Question number 110. How do you direct a fire nozzle under full water pressure? Option A, blowing. Option B, 2 hoses for each vertical fire zone. Option C, 1 hose for every second fire hydrant. Option D, 1 hose for each 30-meter length of ship plus 1 spare hose for engine and continue the sentence. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 111. What action should be taken immediately after a fire has been extinguished? Option A, they are liable to spontaneous combustion. Option B, they are not a hazard. Option C, they are not hazardous unless ignited. Option D, they generate their own oxygen when ignited and are therefore difficult to extinguish. The correct answer is option A, they are liable to spontaneous combustion. So they can be spontaneous combustion even after it is extinguished. The own heat energy can be if there is any fire sources available, because you extinguish the fire but it is not fully cooled down. So it is below the combustion temperature. It can be reignited if any fuel or air is introduced in it. So the correct answer is option A. Okay friends, thank you for the updates. If you have any doubts, any clarification or any correction you want to make, you can put it in comment box. And also, if you like my video, you can click the like button. If you want to see more videos, you can subscribe my channel so you can get updated in up to time. Thank you.